Onion skin is a technique in 2D animation. Animators will place a thin piece of paper on a light box. The opacity onion skin shows the frame sequences with different opacity. There are three options to choose from. Animators can see through the sequence of frames to check the fluency of the animations. Please click the Settings and enable the onion skin. The color code onion skin shows the previous frame in the green shade and the next frame in a red shade. After you set everything up, you can quickly disable and enable the onion skin effect simply by turning on and off the light bulb under the canvas.